You little you son of a I'm going to tear off your and shove them right up your and then on your with in the and your so then you'll have to sideways.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Blaine County in northwest Oklahoma, extreme northeastern Caddo County in southwest Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Grady County in central Oklahoma, extreme southwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles an hour. This storm was located 5 miles northwest of Union City, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located near 5 miles northwest of Geary. This storm is moving southeast around 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include El Reno, Concho, Mustang, Tuttle, Hinton, Minco, Union City, Geary, Calumet, Pocasset, Greenfield, Bridgeport, and Cogar. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 94 and 133. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. The National